Hi, welcome to hostboxcse channel, and today we are going to start the new session that is called Computer Network series. Today we are going to see the computer networks basics. This is a tutorial definitely helpful for who are preparing competitive exams like GATE, UGC, NIE, LIT, University, some of the colleges will also. Whether you are studying the STEAM or BTech, EC, IT, CSE, MC, whatever that, this is a fundamental concept. Today we are going to discuss only the syllabus. Out of this, I have highlighted what are the syllabus and topics very important for prepare and get succeed in the exams, the upcoming sessions, and also. Let's go for session today. We are going to discuss only the topics, some of the major topics, and how so important and so on. So it's based 100% based on the UGC net gate analysis. Previous questions also. So here there are the network means what? Computer networks. Network means what? A group of computers that uses protocols and also use the protocols for sharing the information. Sharing the information. For example, you can say in the lab you can connect to 10 computers and you can take printout, connect the printers and so on. You can share the information and share the technology like email and so on. So fundamental there are when you go for network layers, there are the basic model is called OSI. So in OSI, how many layers will be there? 7 layers will be there. They are like physical layer, another one is data link layer, another is network layer, another is a transport layer, another is a session layer, another is a presentation layer, and plus application layer. So if you want to study the computer networks, you have to start from the OSI model, where what is the layer and how it works and so on. So here, what are the topics we are going to cover in the upcoming session means physical layer. The physical layer, what? Physical layer, what is there? Cables. What is cable and what are the cables and topologies? Different types of topologies like LAN, WAN, MAN, and also transmission modes, and also LAN devices, Atlas modeling. These topics we are going to cover. And next one is the data link layer. In this data link layer, we are going to cover the topic called stop and wait, go back and selective repeat, then MAC protocol, then switching error control, at last Ethernet frame format. Here you have to remember, as per the view of gate examination, this topic is must and important. Stop and wait and go back selective repeat. Then last Ethernet frame format is there. This is a topic definitely useful for UGC net. Most of the questions asked from this area also. The network layer. The network layer we are going to discuss about the IP addressing mode, routing protocols, IP versus 4 header, IP versus 6 header, and so on. Here, what is IP addressing and why we need, what are the packet format we are going to follow, and all the details we are going to discuss one by one. Then transport layer. In transport layer, we are going to discuss TCP, that is transmission control protocol, and the UDP protocol, user datagram protocol, and headers also one by one. What is the size? How it will helpful to is in the helpful to do the network activities and so on. Then session layer and the person layer we see very little bit because it's not much important. At last we have application layer. The application layer we have to discuss all the protocols. What is protocol? Why we need protocol in the view of computers science and engineering in the view and also in the domain of computer networks, and what is the use of DNS, SMTP protocol, FTP protocol, and what is port number, which port number is for SMTP, which port number will available for FTP, and why we need and so on. Like that. Like that, we are going to discuss one by one the computer networks area. At last, one more additional topic is that is network security. So network security is the one additionally we are going to cover, where we have to discuss about the keys like what is private key and what is public key and what are the algorithms associated with the gate and so on. So many of them have strong knowledge in mathematics and algorithm, computer algorithms and so on. But if you go for networks, it's very easy and anyone can understand. So anytime you can read and go for the prepare for the examination. So when you go preparation for the GATE, UGC, any company, these topics are very very important. Data link, I just now told you on task, everything is important, and these are the syllabus, shortlist syllabus for preparation only, not for all. If you go for university or college level, you have to prepare more and more. So if you put the effort based on these topics and upcoming session, you can kindly check the playlist and like that. Okay, these are about the syllabus. The upcoming session will see in the introduction to network what is what and exactly what is in it, exactly we are going to study and everything, analyze and everything. Here. So if you have any queries or suggestions, please kindly communicate with the social media. And thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, press bell icon for more updates. Thank you.